Today, let's look at one of the important aspect of learning technique, that is case study method. Case study is a distinct learning tool that is mainly used in the management programs. What is a case? Case is, in a simple terminology, description of a situation. In a way, it is simulation. It describes a possible situation, especially in the corporate setting. This description usually will focus on problem or issues that are being faced, and the purpose is to find out solution for such problematic situation. To be able to find solution, the first and most important stage is to identify the problem. If you can identify the problem, then the next step of finding solution becomes easier. When we consider case study, there are two things that we have to understand. One is, as a teaching learning tool, discussion in the classroom, and the other is, in the examination, how to write the answer to a given case. The most important aspect in the class discussion is participation, and this participation is possible if everybody is well prepared. There are two aspects, and one is reading the case and developing understanding regarding the situation. The other part is based on your understanding of management theory, because the solution should be based on the theories that you have studied, the theories that are accepted, and to be able to handle this situation, how you can choose right theory, which is possible if you have properly studied different management related subjects. I may talk about marketing case studies. There can be certain areas to which these type of cases may belong. Maybe it is related to market segmentation, targeting, positioning. Unless you know your customers well, your offer may not match their requirements, and for that you will have to understand the basic principles behind the targeting, segmenting, positioning as marketer. Another important area might be consumer behavior. The decisions that you will be taking as marketer, they are to be accepted, they are to be acted upon by your customers, and to understand them is an important tact, skill. So, unless and until you are well versed with the theory, you may not be able to find out good solution. Many a times, people will identify problem on similar lines, but they may choose to resolve that problem in individually different ways. It is reaching the destination using different paths. In class discussion, each one may come out with their version of what they consider is best way of dealing with the situation. Here, everybody benefits because they get more ideas about how it can be handled, and thereby probability of selecting best alternative is improved. Also, it helps in developing sensitivity towards opinions of others. You must pay attention to what others are saying and also must try to understand logic behind it. Case study helps in developing critical thinking. It also focuses on decision making abilities. Sometimes there is quantitative data, numericals. You should be able to analyze it properly, draw inferences before you arrive at any decision. Remember, your solution while implementing should not create additional problems. It should help in resolving the issue and not create new crises, new problems. And so, how that alternative, how that solution that you have suggested will have impact on other areas needs to be considered. That is where justification of your choice becomes important. You should be able to convince others, persuade others, influence others by way of logic, reasoning, theoretical grounding of what you have suggested. If you can do that, be open. Maybe you will learn a lot by the contribution given in the case discussion session by other participants. And that may help you in writing the answer. Sometimes there are questions at the end of the case. You may answer them elaborately and cover different aspects such as problem identification, analysis of data, alternative solutions, best solution, and justification of solution. In this manner, if you present it, it becomes easier for the reader to understand the situation, scenario, and its probable solution. Thank you.